In this video, I'm making a bold prediction that Bitcoin is about to drop another 2 to 3,000 points or even more than that here within the next 24 to 36 hours. Find out why in this video, stick through, and if you don't, you'll probably get fucked on this drop. So let's get into it. I'm not going to waste your time drawing this up right now, okay? We need to first look at what happened just 6 days ago, okay? We had this head and shoulders right here, which I've posted on the channel. This is the thumbnail if you want to go back and watch this video where I nailed and predicted this drop here. We told you guys that we had a divergence within the RSI, a divergence within the MACD, and with that would come a major drop. Now, the price target, obviously, if you move this here and bring it over here, was exceeded. So you actually got a drop from 37.5 all the way down to 34,000, actually 33,500. So once again, if you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you check that out. But now, how do we use this information, this previous head and shoulders setup, to predict and show you exactly how to profit right now today as soon as you're done with this video and show you exactly where Bitcoin's heading now? Okay, that's what I want to show you. So let's get into it. If you haven't noticed, on the right side of this chart, you also have another head and shoulders. Boom, right there. Okay, now we're actually going to bring this down a little because you can see the supports there. Okay, now if you measure from the head down to the neckline, as we've shown you in many videos on this channel how to do this, you're going to see you get a price target of 32,500. Now, that's not the most important part about this. What you actually need to know is this is a lower low. So everyone has recently been talking about how we're making higher lows, right? We went from 28,000 to 31,000 to 34,000, and today was supposed to be another higher low. But what you're going to realize is we have the trend drawn up here in the Bitcoin chart and trading view. I want to show you this yellow line here. We zoom out here. This is the uptrend, and you can see clearly we've broken below this. So we're making a new lower low right here, right? So this is the new higher low, and we've now set a new lower low. And on top of that, guys, if you can break this low with this price target, right, this low right here with this price target, that's going to be a second lower low, therefore confirming the reversal back into officially, basically a double bearish trend, right? Because this is already bearish trend, guys, right here, right? This is a bearish trend now. Okay, and look, you might tell me, you might say, Alex, don't you know if you zoom out, it's still bullish trend, right? But this is a bearish trend reversal. This is a bullish trend, almost basically it was neutral trend trying to shift back into bullish trend, right? And that's why everyone was talking about, hey, if we get back above 42,000, coast is clear, we're safe, we're good to go, back up to 60, back up to hopefully 100,000 at some point, right? So you have to understand this is a neutral trend within a bearish trend, but it's flipping back to bearish trend within a bearish trend, which just makes it obviously that much more fucking bearish, okay? So at this point, with that price target exceeding this low, if this happens, then you're not looking at any higher lows anymore, guys. You're looking at a massive drop and a potential panic for sure. With that can come a further sell-off. Now, you've got guys saying we could drop to 20,000 or 18,000, right? But you've also got fucking Tom Lee saying we're going to go to 135,000 by the end of this year. You've got fucking Robert Kiyosaki saying we're going to go to 1 million. Stupid shit like this. So at the end of the day, you can't trust anyone. Everyone's going to say what they say. And the only thing you can do is see what happens. And that's why I'm showing you exactly what the heck's going to happen so you can know who actually calls this shit. And that's me, not Robert Kiyosaki or any of these other fucking guys. Okay, so subscribe to this channel so we can help you nail shit like this all the time. If you've seen all our Bitcoin predictions, they've all been spot on. And that's, just check them out on this channel. We also nailed the Ethereum drop as well, and we're about to nail this one as well. So what you need to understand there then is the price target is 32.5, right? But it's not just about the price target. Once again, it's about breaking the trend and establishing a bearish trend within a bearish trend. For that reason, Bitcoin is going down to 32,500 or even lower within the next 24 to 36 hours. Now, what I actually want to do is take this to the next level and study the actual behavior coming out of the head and shoulders. Okay, so take a look at this. What I really want to measure is the time it took to set the low within this head and shoulders break. So we're actually going to count it hour by hour. You can see this is a 2-hour time frame right here. So let's actually take a look at this. You've got 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 hours to hit the low. Now you could call this the low. Let's just say 36 hours to hit the low. Okay, currently, guys, this is the beginning of the head and shoulders break. We are only 4 hours within this head and shoulders break. So you have plenty of time to capture the downward move. Now, obviously, the best time to be in was up here and here. And obviously, if you've seen our video where we shorted Bitcoin up here, then you need to go check that video out. In total, here at Crash Trading, in profits, over 300,000 were made. So once again, here's the thumbnail. Check that video out. It is literally live. You can't make that shit up. We nailed the top, and now we're still shorting it with our members. So keep in mind, if you're trying to join and short us, trade this with us, we're only accepting accounts above 60K, 150K, and 400K from this point forward. That being said, how are you going to profit right now? Well, this is why I want to take it to the next step and study further here. You're going to notice you break through, then you have kind of a relief candle. Well, we break through, we're having a relief candle, and I'm literally about to post this video. So you can pretty much expect the further continuation within the sell-off very soon after this candle, which is the 2-hour candle, assuming it's going to show some kind of association to this previous head and shoulders. Now, these are not going to be the exact same. History does not repeat itself, but it does rhyme, right? And so at this point, don't expect it to be word for word, basically just copy of what happened last time, but you can use this as a very good reference to what you're looking at today. Okay, and so what we're expecting is this relief, followed by the bigger sell-off, and what you need to understand is there's going to be bounces. Your profits, you're going to see them go away, and you're going to see them evaporate, but it doesn't mean that the ultimate move isn't coming lower. So ultimately what you need to do is trust the charts, trust the price target, and stay with the trade, and you will succeed, and you will do phenomenal. Keep in mind, guys, you can't be 100% accurate on everything, but you can at least establish something like what we've shown you in this video, a baseline premise, idea around the trade, and work around it based on your knowledge and your understanding of the charts. So last thing, keep in mind, if you're just following for free on the channel, I obviously can't keep you up to date on this trade live, okay? There will be reversals. There will be timing issues if you're doing this on your own. Obviously, if you want direct help and guidance through this, knowing when to get in and when to get out, when to cut your loss, when to collect your profits, make sure to join us in the coaching program so we can help you make at least 4 BTC on this trade, 4 Bitcoin. All right, that's what we're going for, at least 4 Bitcoin on this trade. And if you want to short this on your own or with me, we use Bybit to trade this, okay? So this link will be in the description. It's going to get you less fees and commissions on your trades. Make sure you sign up through the link in the description if you want those less fees and commissions. If you want to pay more fees, you want to pay more commissions, then don't use our associate link down below. That being said, my name is Alex. If you're ready, let's make some money. At the end of the day, I'm sorry if something doesn't go right, and I can't keep you up to date on this, then it is what it is. You have to understand how to read these charts so you can make adjustments intra-trade, okay? So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe. You know my price target and prediction, and whether I'm right or wrong, you get to see that, and you didn't get a BS answer, half-ass answer. We might go up or down, right? I told you exactly what I believe is going to happen. So if you want to bash me for ever being wrong, then you clearly haven't seen how many times we're right. I'm just going to say that out loud. There's always going to be, if they're ever wrong, there's going to be people who fucking get on you for that. Guys, we don't care. Would you rather have an honest opinion, true bias, that someone's going to tell you, or would you rather go watch a video right now and they're going to say we're going to go up, down, sideways, or inwards, right? That doesn't help you. At least get a real opinion and point of view here, and you'll get that on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. And by the way, if you meet our requirements, make sure you sign up literally right away as soon as you're done watching this video so you don't miss this 3,000, 4,000 point drop, whatever's happening. I'd hate for you to mess it up and lose thousands instead of make thousands on a beautiful opportunity like this. That being said, if you have any questions, schedule a 20-minute call, which is free on our site. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.